resonating condition. Next, Nana, the circuit name. Next, resonating condition in the LCR circuit. Look here, Nana, all of you. Resonating condition in LCR circuit. Here, inductor, capacitor, resistor, all are connected in series to the AC source. Okay. Here, resonating condition means current flow in the circuit becomes maximum. Once again, I repeat. Resonating condition means current flow. Resonating condition means current flow in the circuit is maximum. Current flow in the circuit is to be maximum. Okay, this condition is called resonating condition. Current flow in the circuit emavali maximum. Ohm's law guntunda, I equal to V by R. Total resistance in the circuit is called impedance. Current flow maximum, simply impedance is minimum. Simply total resistance in the circuit get minimum. What is the Z formula in LCR circuit? Guttunda meeku? Impedance formula in the LCR circuit is R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Equation 4 or 5. Here, what is the resonating condition? Current flow in the LCR circuit maximum. Impedance is minimum. Minimum ravali ante this plus term remove avali. Remove avali ante simply XL value equal to XC value. Okay, once again I repeat. Impedance is minimum. Simply XL minus XC value automatically 0 because adding term is removed. Because impedance is minimum. Simply XL equal to XC. We know that XL is called inductive reactance. XC is called capacitive reactance. XL formula omega L. XC formula 1 by omega C. Okay? Here cross multiply omega into omega square equal to 1 by LC. Here, what is the omega value? 1 by root LC. Here, this omega is called angular resonating frequency. Once again, here, what is the omega? Omega is called angular resonating frequency. Equation number 1. But omega write as 2 pi f in the physics. Here 1 by root LC. 2 pi other side. Here f equal to 2 pi other side numerator becomes denominator 1 by 2 pi under root LC. Equation number 2. Here F is called resonating frequency. Once again, F is called resonating frequency. What is the angular resonating frequency? Omega equal to 1 by root LC. Here L is called coefficient of self-induction, OR self-inductance. Its SI unit is Henry. C indicate capacitance of the capacitor. Its unit is Faraday. What is the angular resonating frequency? 1 by root LC. What is the resonating frequency formula? 1 by 2 by root LC. These two formulas are applicable. Current flow in the circuit is maximum, or impedance in the circuit is minimum. This condition is called resonating condition. Very important concept in the AC. Next I discuss LC oscillations. Next I discuss LC oscillations. Okay. In the LC oscillations, this is the current, okay. Here this is L, this is EC. ikkada ER undadu because the circuit is LC. Here the diagram is inductor, capacitor, both are in series to the AC source. For example, now the condition is EL greater than EC. Simply EL is more. This is the current. This is the current. This is the EL minus EC. Look here now. This is the current, this is the EL minus EC. In the situation, the angle between EL and EC, is in degrees, 90 degrees. To see the diagram, this is the current, this is EL minus EC. Because EL is more, simply net also depends upon the EL. Here EMF is ahead. What is the EMF formula in input formula? E0 sin omega t. Here current is lag. How many degrees? 90 degrees. Simply I equal to I0 sin of omega t minus 90 degrees. Equation number 2. What is the EMF formula? E0 sin omega t. What is the current formula? I0 sin omega t minus pi by 2. Because here current is lag. How many degrees? 90 degrees compared to EMF. Okay. Here suppose we take resonating condition. What is the resonating condition? Impedance is minimum. Simply EL equal to EC in the previous situation. Ohm's law, V equal to IR, I into XL. Here I into XC. కొంతమంది రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింది సార్ అని. ఇండక్టర్లో ఉండే రెసిస్టర్ XL, కెపాసిటర్లో ఉండే రెసిస్టర్ XC. Here I cancel. Simply XL equal to XC. XL formula omega L. XC formula 1 by omega C. Neatly write as omega one side remaining other side. Omega into omega equal to omega square. omega square equal to L into C. Omega square other side root. Omega equal to under root 1 by LC. Here omega is called angular. Omega is called angular resonating frequency. Omega is called angular resonating frequency. What is the angular resonating frequency? 1 by root LC. This is in the LC circuit. LC circuit. Next, Nana, look here, Nana, look here. In the LC circuit, omega formula is 2 pi f 1 by under root LC. Here, what is the formula for f? Here, numerator other side, denominator 1 by 2 pi under root LC. Here, this f is called resonating frequency. What is the f, Nana? This f is called resonating frequency. What is the formula for resonating frequency? 1 by 2 pi into 1 by root LC. In the LCR circuit, angular frequency is same, resonating frequency is same. This is applicable only for current flow in the circuit is maximum, ORR impedance is minimum. Okay, this condition is called resonating condition. Tomorrow I discuss transformer and choke coil and skin effect, Nana, and quality factor. Once again I repeat, tomorrow I discuss quality factor, skin effect and skin effect and choke coil, and also I discuss, Nana, and also I discuss transformer. These 4 topics tomorrow morning discuss. Tomorrow afternoon I discuss in the